One?
That's a weeping Atlas cedar, a little baby one. This is a orange dream Japanese maple.
Okay, so this turned orange
Yeah.
when it's bigger.
Yep.
And what's this down here? This is just a regular.
Yeah, that's just a regular plant I got for Father's Day.
You still got plans for Father's Day?
Yeah, that's another orange dream
Orange dream.
Japanese maple.
So how big those get? Those get like the big trees?
Yeah, there's one down the block that's
Okay.
up to the window, big. These are dinner plate hibiscus, perennial version, not annual, perennial.
Okay, so
Those are special.
Just come back every year.
Yep.
And then what color is this? This is what?
I got.
You're not sure?
I don't know. It's either pink or red. I only bought two.
That blue, nice though.
Pink.
That blue you showed me that. There was a blue one you see. I seen when you clicked on it.
Oh, they got blue ones.
I think it was a blue one. I see when you clicked on it just now.
About these hydrangeas?
Nah, when you clicked it just now, I think I seen a blue one. You got like that. No?
But this right here is a limelight hydrangea tree. I got some elephant ears here. Those are
I got a
elephant
bunch of this on the
ears.
farm. Just like that shit is.
I got a couple of other types of Japanese maples over there. A rare one. That one is a rare one.
Which one? This one here?
Yeah, that's a I forget what the fuck. It's a Mika Saba or some shit like that. I got a couple of crepe myrtles. This crepe myrtle is beautiful. Let me see if I got a. When this shit blooms, it blooms hot purple, like really vibrant purple.
What's the name of it?
Crepe myrtle.
Crepe
Myrtle. That's another Japanese. This is the orange dream, also Japanese maple. I bought it when it was small, and it had those babies in the pot, and I took it out. Over here, this is a This
Oh,
is
so
a,
those are suckers down there.
yeah.
Got it.
This is an autumn moon Japanese maple.
Or the moon.
Yeah.
What color? What color?
This is gonna turn pretty orange and red. It's beautiful, but it got sunburnt.
Okay.
Watch your nose. This is another weeping Atlas
I
cedar.
gotta get this one.
Yeah, well, right.
You shaping it like that or?
Weeping blue
Or,
Atlas cedar.
that's how you gotta do it?
Yeah, you gotta shape it. I mean, if I want, I could
Push it back up.
bend this
back
and make
up
it.
come
You know,
back
this
that
is
way.
called a serpent. They serpent them. Me, I'm just letting it go. This is a Rhode Island Japanese maple.
Rhode Island.
Yeah. Rhode Island, see it? It say Rhode Island. That shit gets really, really red like this.
Oh, yeah.
Really,
that's nice.
really red.
Yeah, that's the color. That's the color they got. That's the one I'm
But they
telling
got
you about.
fat
Like
leaves,
this.
though.
Yeah,
They got the
yeah,
fat maple
yeah.
leaves. Those are cannas,
Cannons.
green cannas, red cannas. Those are my clones, my hydrangea clones.
Okay.
This is another crepe myrtle. This is
This is a
what is
nice
this one?
plant, man.
This is
Flower's beautiful.
that is a Miss Francis crepe myrtle. It is beautiful. That one's nice.
Yeah.
Very
I like
nice.
this
I got some hostas that I created.
I like this one too.
That
This
right
one
there.
is it drying up? What is this? A
Nah,
pine?
I
It looks
killed
like a
it, but
pine
it's,
family.
It's coming back though. This is a white pine, yeah, but it's like a curly white pine.
Yeah, this different.
It's different, yeah. It's got curls to it. It's weird. More
You know the regular pines, they make soda out of it.
what?
Yeah, the regular pine. Yep. So they make natural Sprite soda out of that one.
This is a weeping blue cedar Atlas. I mean, not Atlas. This is a weeping blue spruce. They have green spruces. Yeah, it's similar, but nah, this is a spruce. That is a cedar. So where the fuck is the, see, this is a blue spruce. Look at this, look at that.
Right.
That shit is banging. When it got to droop, these are banana trees.
Yeah.
You know, they'll just get big and leafy.
Yeah, suckers in there.
This is my big ass hydrangea. I mean, my big ass bonsai. I don't know what the fuck kind of bush it was. I forget. Over here.
Yeah, them things get big, man. They take over. They get
Go get that right there. This is gonna be the dinner plate. I'll send you a picture of this. Dinner plate hibiscus. This is one of my prizes.
This is gonna be a pink flower.
This
The pink
is
one, right?
a-
You know what
I
color it
hope
is?
it's gonna be a red one. I hope it's the red one because the red is like blazing red.
You know they got oranges, they got different,
all
they got
colors.
yellows.
Yeah. This is the perennial version though. Not many people have hibiscus that's gonna come back. I mean, you
In the
might have
wintertime, right.
people have the other hibiscus, the roses of Sharon hibiscus. That's different.
Right.
That this right here is the pinnacle.
What you call that right there on the ground right there?
That's a juniper.
The juniper?
Yeah, that's the carpet juniper. Oh, I gotta watch it. Don't step on them. Oh, somebody stepped on that bird. Nah, yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is a blue rug juniper. Oh shit. Yeah, so I planted in the rocks. I got one over here too. It's prepped a little bit more. This one's soon. It's big. See it right there?
Yeah, yeah.
This shit is huge. It runs all back up in there.
Well, this take over everything.
It
though.
takes over. Yeah.
Yeah. You gotta be careful with this.
I got
man.
my Japanese maples.
I got something that's spiky as well. I got it from my mother. I don't know the name of it, but it has like a small. It grows like a really tiny, like a small white flower. And I have two of them. One grows a white flower, and the other one grows like a slightest, like a pinkish flower. But it's really small, but it's spiky. If you touch it, it's like really spiky.
What are you talking about? What's these shits called? The yucca?
Nah, not these.
This is yucca. Yucca. This shit grows us. If you watch your leg, don't touch that.
It's poisonous.
Nah, but it'll when it pokes you, you feel it. You know what I'm saying? It might be slightly poisonous, but not heavy. But it grows this big, beautiful stalk that pushes. You know what I'm saying? Nice flowers out. But that shit, that's nature's defense. That shit poke your leg, you gonna feel.
Yeah, this is what I'm gonna put in front of my property. In
shit,
Jamaica they got the big ones.
That shit
They
keep
get
people
big and this one get big and white.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the same
Fucking
one.
big yuccas.
Yeah, this is a nice plant here too though. What's this? What's the name of this one?
That I don't know what the fuck that is. Probably some kind of I forget what it's called. A eunemis or something. It's probably easily clonable too.
Dandelions
That's a
in there.
weed, yeah.
Then that's not a weed. That's food.
Yeah, that's food. That's food.
Yeah.
This is another kind of carpet juniper, but it's not the same. This little motherfucker poke you too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
This
shit'll
is
poke
nice.
you.
This is different.
Yeah, it'll poke you.
Yeah, I know. I see it.
But I forget what this is called, but I like it. This is nice. This one.
They come back though. These never die.
That's an evergreen.
Got it.
This is too. This little bushy shit. That one's nice too. They got like a red. What's that?
All this will look nice in a pot, man.
Yeah, red shade. This is
Yeah,
nice.
it has two shades to this. I like
It's
it.
really nice. And these are my orchids. Oh no, not orchids. Irises.
Irises.
These are
yeah.
purple irises though, like really
I see
bright,
the yellow
really
ones.
vibrant purple irises.
Mm,
What else I got? I got
purple, huh?
Oh, I got some other shit over here. I want to get my yin yang.
Put on the batter.
Weeping Atlas cedar, serpent style. Then over here I got a weeping. This is a weeping. What the fuck is this? A weeping. What the fuck is this? This is it says Nootka cypress, but it's actually it's a weeping.
It's a family to the
It's
other
another
one, right?
weeping shit. It's one of the weeping shits. I forget what it's called. It's
But this
another
is
one
an
of my
evergreen
clones.
too.
Yeah, that's evergreen.
This is really pretty, man. I
That's
like
a clone.
this, man.
That's,
It's
a,
a
that's a
clone.
clone from that other tree over there.
Yeah, these are
That
nice.
shit grows crazy though.
Mm,
You see that big shit right there?
yeah.
In the shadow, you see that big
Yeah.
tall? That's this.
What's
Sorry,
that?
that's this. The big purple shit.
Mm. Yeah, that's
some,
nice.
some elephant ears. And over yonder are my fruit trees. You want to catch the fruit trees, show them the peaches. You know what I'm saying? This right here is this is called the lion's mane.
The lion.
Japanese maple.
This is the lion's mane?
This is a lion's mane. That's lion's mane.
Yeah, I heard the name of it, but I never seen it. Okay, this is what it
Yeah.
looks like.
Yep. It gets, it's full up, but it got scorched a little bit.
Right.
So it ain't really, it's it's not growing that great, but it's gonna be beautiful.
So at least come back. That's good, man.
Yeah, everything will come back.
Them palm trees you gotta put in the house, right? That gotta go inside.
What else I got around for?
This big leaf here is what?
That's a hosta.
A hosta.
Yeah, those are perennials. These hostas, you could propagate these shits. You know what I'm saying? I plan to do that because that's another nursery item that people buy on a regular basis. Hostas are very hardy.
Is that duck lilies in there?
Those, no, that's water lettuce and hyacinths. Water hyacinths.
Okay. Do they spawn?
Yeah, they
They make more, right? The lettuces on
Oh
there?
yeah, look.
They keep the water clean, right?
Yep. And you feed off the nitrates
Oh,
inside
okay,
there. These are arrows, water arrows.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, that shit nice. I got another weeping. What the fuck is that? That's I forget what the name of that one is. That's another weeper. I like that.
Evergreen.
Got another Crimson Queen, Japanese maple. Some beautiful azaleas. They shine. They got a bright red
flower. Yeah,
bright
I got
reds.
those. Under my house.
Some hostas, some roses, some traveling roses, some peonies. I think peonies, however the fuck they say it.
Yeah, you got plants that Home Depot don't got.
Yeah.
There's a lot of them you got
Got
here that
some,
Home Depot don't get.
Multicolor roses.
Yeah, this
They
one was a-
marbleized.
What's that? Pink and white? Or?
Yeah, pink and white, and this one's yellow and pink. So they all come out different.
Right. I got a big white one, Rosa. I forgot the name of it. I got a big white one, a big pink one,
Those are
and some red ones.
tuxedo hydrangeas. Matter of fact, you could probably see what they look like if I could find the goddamn. There it goes. This is what they look like. They are nice. Yeah, they nice. This thing, what did they say? What did they say this thing is? Purple sand cherry. Purple sand cherry.
Okay.
That's that little clone over there.
Right. Okay. That was that. Yeah. Okay. This is what it is.
This is my plum tree.
They're nice. They make nice pot plants. I like that.
Yeah, they make trees. They come.
You gotta prune this.
Prune this. Yeah.
I make a lot of trees. There's a lot of trees here, man.
Yeah, nah.
That's what I want to do with mine. Mine's in them too tall. It's getting
I
big.
mean, and right now, well, not now. You gotta catch them when the branches are real
Thin, right? Like kind of like.
supple.
Yeah. It's
The
not
hard
hard.
shit is not gonna work unless you air layer it.
Yeah, that's what I want to
Then
do.
you
Air
can work
layer.
it out, yeah.
That's what I
Here's
want to
the
do. Air
peach.
layer.
Peach
Nice
tree.
big, nice peach.
Look at this red one.
Oh shit.
That one's ready
You
to
got
go.
those squirrels, y'all.
Not too
Yeah, you
big.
got those squirrels. You got some lilies here. What kind of
Yeah,
lilies?
these are those are white.
The white ones.
They got white.
I got some black ones. The black ones.
Oh, I got black ones. I got black lilies. Wait, look. Show you my apple trees real quick. Apple trees. I don't know what this is, but I cloned a bunch of them inside the house. I got a few of these that's ready to ship out.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is. Some Japanese, some shit. I forget the name. And my apple tree. I have no idea what this bush is.
What is this?
But I probably got the tag somewhere around. Yeah, it's a perennial. It comes back.
Yeah, there's a lot of trees you got there. There's a lot of
And
bush.
I got so many yuccas. This is a whole fan. Like, you see, that's a baby yucca. That could be dug out.
All them shit is suckers.
There goes one right there, too. There's one back here.
Yeah.
See that one?
Yeah.
Baby. But over here, what were we talking about?
The lily, the black lily.
Oh, yeah. Right here. You have them already?
Yeah, they you know the bugs, the beetles always eating the flowers, man. The flowers could never really.
Here goes them right here. I
You plant them?
I keep forgetting.
Because they multiply. Once you put them in.
I got a bunch of bulbs though. What I'm gonna do with these is I'm gonna buy a pot for the water and I'm gonna plant them in the water and let them do their thing inside the pond.
They'll do that?
Yeah. You didn't see the lilies?
Oh, I seen
The
them.
daylilies in that pond over there?
Oh, I didn't know they could grow in water, man. Just like that in here.
Hostas. I got hostas in my phone. Break the rules, man. These shits is in the phone. The game lilies are right there.
Right, yeah, okay. What you
And I
got?
got some hostas.
What you just put it in a pot and just rest it in there?
I got hostas in there. I got some weird ass elephant.
Okay, what you just put stone in a pot? What you do? Just put it in stone?
And I got a little bit of what's that? Sphagnum peat moss or something like that? Or Spanish moss. Spanish moss like this.
You gotta come help me. Yeah, okay, you gotta come help me fix up my garden, man. We're gonna have a nursery.